Hi, good morning. Welcome back. Everyone want to look good. Everyone want to look beautiful and also young. That is why we all are here. So today I will tell you the tips for looking naturally beautiful with anti-aging skincare. So number 1 is avoid too much of weight gain. When your face looks full of fat, it makes your cheeks plumper. That means rounded in shape, and that stretch your face resulting in fewer wrinkles. But unfortunately, if you have gained your weight in the neck area too, that's when you look older than what you really are. So make sure you are doing proper weight management. Cut back your sugar from your food, your daily meal. Sugar is a major contributor to the loss of the firmness of the skin, which can age you significantly. And foods high in sugar have been linked to advanced glycation and processes, which causes wrinkles and loss of collagen and elastin, as we already have discussed this. So focus on the balanced diet and plenty of protein and fresh vegetables. Next is ensure you are taking proper protection with the sun rays. So to avoid the premature aging of your skin, you should use sunscreen identified by the broad spectrum. That means it blocks all the UVA and UVB rays, unlike just a sun protection factor, that is SPF, that is designed to block burning UVB rays. Use SPF of at least 30. You can also experiment with physical protective barriers like clothing, hats, which are essential for the protection of the skin. Next is you have to stay hydrated. So if you drink enough water, it typically results in increased appearance of wrinkles, fine lines and dullness. So the amount of water you need depend on your body size and how active you are. So obviously, if you are exercising, so you'll need to replenish all that sweat from the water because your body is losing electrolytes also. Use a cleansing brush. So the beautiful thing about the cleansing brushes is that it helps to remove your dull skin, dead skin cell, and it helps to absorb your products more effectively whatever you're applying on your skin. Make a habit of going to the bed early, because sleep is essential to our well-being. So when we are sleeping, our bodies are repairing, detoxifying, and our hormones are balancing. So if you want to avoid puffy eyes bags or the dry skin and that makes you look older, then you need to get enough beauty sleep. Use products with moisturizing ingredients. Like skin appearance is strictly related to water retention. So as time goes by, so skin becomes thinner and the face starts to freeze and you look aged because it retains less water and its collagen and the elastin content decreases. So nourishing your skin with healthy foods like proteins and vitamin E is important, but you really need products with moisturizing ingredient to protect your skin. Now, do you remember the last time you woke up in the morning and noticed that the lines on your face because you slept on your tummy and on your sides? So well, those sleep wrinkles can be easily avoided if you sleep on your back. Also, make a habit of washing your face 3 to 4 times in a day. When you are using the beauty products, so look for the products that contains a gradient named peptides, which can stimulate collagen and elastin synthesis. So I will tell you the few habits of the people who looks young even in the older age are: number 1, they use SPF every day. They use sun protection every day. And with the help of this, you can reduce almost 80% of your aging problems, which happens with the sunlight ultraviolet rays. The next important point to be noted is that we need to breathe in the clean air. The quality of the air we breathe in big cities are become very seriously compromised. The traffic exhaust is one of the most toxic substance for the skin. So recently there have been more and more studies showing that air pollution may have one of the primary cause of skin aging. So make sure you are avoiding exposure to the polluted places. But in case you get exposed, so make sure you are cleaning your face thoroughly with a clean water. People who age slowly don't smoke and don't drink alcohol also, because smoking and drinking leads to all kind of health problems and that depletes our bodies from the nutrients. So smokers end up with more fine lines around their mouth and are more likely to develop bad teeth. Smoking also deprives the body of oxygen and over time can speed up aging process. Excessive drinking can also cause skin discoloration, poor muscle tone and broken blood vessels and also spider veins. So if you have habit of smoking and drinking a lot of alcohol, so please optimize it and ensure you are not committing to reduce the habit of addiction immediately, because it will affect adverse in your body. So always go for a stepping down of the addiction and slowly just quit from it. And one of the last point I would like to share with you, that people who age slowly keep a positive mindset. Yes, your mind plays a significant role in determining whether you are aging fast or aging slow. So happier people who have more optimistic approach, they live longer and have fewer health problems. Anger and distress can eventually appear on your face in the form of fine lines and wrinkles. So wrinkles are formed when the faces expresses chronic sad or angry emotions. So a happy person has less scroll marks over the muscles of the face and have spent more time in the relaxed state. Here I would like to recommend you to focus on being more positive, and the best way of doing this is to read self-help books. You can also opt for watching self-help videos or listening to the podcast related to this. See, you should know how to manage the stress. So chronic high stress will cause you to age faster. So aside from the impact that worried face has on facial wrinkles, stress affects every area of your health. So people who are regularly overwhelmed with stress also tends to have illness, and that can help the aging process very fast along with them. So my recommendation for managing the stress in your life is to take up a daily meditation and practice gratitude. That is the reason in our this program we have kept meditation and gratitude practice on the daily basis, because we want to make it a habit for you. And once you have made the ritual, so there is no need to take any support from the outside for your own management of the anti-aging.